students. Last time we had stopped up to exercise 5. Now let us start further. What is exercise 5? The instructions we will read. Rewrite the following passage putting the verbs given in the brackets in the simple past tense, either in active or in passive voice. Right? So you have to adjust the form of the verbs as per the active or passive voice. So let us study which tense you are going to use. Simple past tense you are going to use, right? We did simple past tense in passive forms over here. Now we shall proceed with this exercise. I will be sharing the answer key of all these exercises which are in form of paragraphs, right, at the end of this lesson, so that you can check your answers, right? Fill in the blanks I won't be sharing. Fill in the blanks are very much clear here itself, and I have discussed, I have narrated them in the video, so I will not share them. Now let us start. This is all we are doing verbs, active and passive, lesson 8, right? Okay, now let us start. The beautiful wall paintings of the Ajanta caves paint between the 2nd century BCE, right? Paint का हम क्या करेंगे? Were painted between the 2nd century BCE and the 5th century AD. Jain religious drawings on palm leaf pages or cloth do between the 11th and 14th centuries AD were done between the 11th and 14th centuries AD. The art of illustrating books bring to India by Muslims were brought, bring will become were brought to India by Muslims. Miniature painting was adapted to local traditions by the Rajputs. The British becomes brought. British brought European art into the country. Painters like Nandlal Bose and Jaimini Roy created a new painting style called the Bengal School of Painting. Now here created and brought are only past tense form, that is in active voice. Were painted, were done, were brought, were adapted are all passive voice forms, right? Further, let us study with simple future. What is simple future? Simple future as a tense you must have studied. Using simple future in active voice is will invite or shall invite or will do it or shall do it, right? But in passive it will become will be invited, will be doing, shall be doing, right? That way. Come on, now let us read the examples. Underline this. You need to write what you will use in active, what you use in passive, because both is needed to understand. Write down any two examples, the first and second one rather. Okay, over here also underline the active and passive forms in simple past. Write down the first two examples as points in your notebook. Exercises I have solved, I think here also I have given you, right? Okay, this we have done it. Okay, now the important points over here. Let us read further. Somebody will send the invitation cards today. That is active. The invitation cards will be sent today. This is in passive form. Funds will be raised through donations. You won't be disturbed. When will these roads be repaired? Right? So in passive form what we use will be and the past participle form of the verb. Right? Main verb. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in simple future tense. Number 1, all the rules dash to you. Explain. You have to use the form of explain. So what you will use? Will be explained to you. Second one, I am sure all landscaping jobs dash in time. Complete. Will be completed. Then next one, efforts dash to generate as many jobs as possible. Make. Will be made. Make becomes made, right? Will be made. The nation's interest dash at all costs. Protect. Will be protected at all costs. Number 5, the final result dash with the help of a computer. Prepare. Will be prepared. Dash time to think. I and give, both you have to use, and it is a question. So what you will start? You will start the question with the supporting verb, that is will. Here in future tense we will use will. So will I be given time to think? Then number 7, when dash the team announce. When will the team be announced? I think fill in the blanks. thing is much more clear here in the picture. So you can write it down in your textbook from here itself. I won't be sharing the answer key for fill in the blanks. For this passage writing, the correction in the verbs, I will be sharing the answer key so that it becomes very clear to you as per the exercise numbers, right? Okay. Further, exercise 7, rewrite the following passage putting the verbs given in the brackets in the simple future tense, either in the active or in the passive voice. Now, we promise that if our party comes to power, we dash our best to improve the living conditions in the city. Try. Now here you have to use future, simple future tense, so it will become will try our best. Try remains try only, will try. We have to add will to it as a supporting verb for future tense. To deal with the two major problems of water and power shortage, we dash a new large water reservoir at a suitable place, right? To deal with the two major problems of water and power shortage, we will construct. Construct remains construct, will you have to add. Will construct a new large water reservoir at a suitable place and dash set up a thermal power plant. Some other plans are also under active consideration. 2 new senior secondary schools open in the next session. Will be opened. It becomes will be opened because here you need to use passive voice. Will be opened, right? Midday meals dash free in all the government schools. Will be supplied free in all the government schools. Then drains, repair, roads, remetal and parks develop in all colonies. So it will become drains will be repaired, roads will be remetalled, parks will be developed in all colonies, right? So this is the change that will happen. Then let us move on to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense in active form is, are, am plus verb plus ing that we know, right? We have already studied. And passive form, what it is, are, am, being invited. You have to add being to the sentence, right? The verb form. Now I write down the first two examples. Somebody is tapping our phone, active voice. Our phone is being tapped, right? By somebody कर सकते हो या ज़रूरी नहीं है somebody mention करना. Many flights are being cancelled on account of bad weather. Where is the function being held, right? So we start with the WH word, the question. Okay, now let us move on to exercise 8. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the present continuous tense. Continuous tenses, we know that we have to add ing to the main verb. That is very important. But in passive form, we use the past participle form of the verb, right? Being invited. We add being to it. So in passive form, the verb form changes than in active. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in the continuous tense. Some of these islands dash are tourist spots developed, are being developed. A Bharatnatyam Academy dash up in Chennai is being set up in Chennai. All flights on this route dash to Mumbai divert are being diverted to Mumbai. Dash. Now you have to ask a question. So you will start the question with a supporting verb, that is auxiliary verb that you use normally in passive voice, right? To control global warming. Any steps taken? Are any steps being taken? Right? This form remains the same. Being is to be added and past participle form of the verb, that is taken. Are any steps being taken to control global warming? Then next one, whose car dash away, tow, is being towed. Towed मतलब खींच के लेके जाना, right? Number 6, why dash for no fault of mine, I harass. Why am I being harassed? Being harassed, am I, right? In passive form you use this way. Then in exercise 9, rewrite the following passage using the passive form of the verbs in the present continuous tense. The Diwali dash celebrate all over the city. Celebrate का क्या करेंगे? Is being celebrated. all over the country. All houses illuminate with lamps or candles, are being illuminated with lamps and candles. Diwali greetings exchange, are being exchanged. Sweets offer, sweets are being offered. It is not clear here, please understand. I am narrating it, I am solving the entire exercise, so pay attention there. Sweets are being offered to the guests. Crackers dash explode. So what you will make? Crackers are being exploded. In temples, the goddess Lakshmi worshipped. So what you will make? Is being worshipped. Goddess Lakshmi is being worshipped. Everybody seems to be very happy, right? Then past continuous tense. What you do in past continuous tense? In present continuous tense, we use the supporting verbs is, are and I am, right? Plus being, that we used in passive voice, whereas in past continuous, was, where is being used in active voice, right? Continuous tense verb plus ing होता है, and passive में क्या करते हैं? Was, where, being ऐड करना है. Was, where, being is added again. Was, where, being invited, past participle form of the verb is being used, right? Now let us read examples. Write down the first two examples. We were renovating the living room. This is active voice. The living room was being renovated. By us लगा सकते हो, नहीं लगाओगे तो भी चलेगा. Then the plant was being modernized. Unskilled laborers were being replaced by training people. Now let us move on to exercise. Fill in the blanks with passive form of the verbs in past continuous tense. I found that the customers dash very politely. Treat का use करना है. What you will use? Are being treated. Right? Sorry, it will not be are. It will be were. Were being treated. Because we are using past tense here. Right? Past tense in passive form. So treat का हो जाएगा treated. It is past participle form. And were being is passive voice. Were is a supporting verb for past tense. And being for passive voice, right? So everywhere you will change the form of verb in this way only. The tickets dash in advance, not sale, were not being sold. Sell का हो जाएगा sold, past tense. And were not being, not आपको दिया है यहाँ पे because it is a negative sentence. So you have to add not here also. Then bags and purses dash at the entrance, thoroughly check, right? So what you will make? Bags and purses were being thoroughly checked at the entrance. Then the table dash when the guests arrived, lay. The table was being laid when the guests arrived. Dash when it started raining. The fields and plow. Now here you have to ask a question. So we'll start the question with a supporting verb that you use in past tense, that is where. Were the fields being plowed when it started raining? Then next one, why dash so many trains cancelled? Why were so many trains being cancelled? Right? The fill in the blanks that I have written over here are very much clear, and I have also narrated the answers in the video. So you can pause the video, understand and write them in the fill in the blanks itself, right? I will not share the answer keys for this because it is very much clear here itself. For the paragraph thing where you have to cut the verbs and write down the new ones, there I will be sharing the answer key. So in the next exercise, exercise 11, let us move on. Rewrite the following passage using the passive form of the verbs in the past continuous tense. I was very sorry to visit the area. I found that the environment ruthlessly destroyed. You have to use the form of ruthlessly destroyed. So what you will use? Past tense, past participle form. Was being ruthlessly destroyed. Was being ruthlessly destroyed. Then trees, cut. Cut remains cut only in past participle form also, but you have to add were being. Trees were being cut. Then roads dash and factories dash, lay and put. What you will do? Were being laid. Lay becomes were being laid. Roads were being laid and factories were being put up where there used to be green fields. Some factories had already started functioning and the air pollute by their smoke. So pollute का क्या करोगे? Where was being polluted? The air was being polluted by their smoke. High-rise buildings built everywhere. Were being built everywhere. The whole place changed into a jungle of brick houses. So the whole place was being changed into a jungle of brick houses. Now present perfect tense, we will do it afterwards. Next time we stop here today.